y'all. So we have a elevated raised bed. This is from Vigo Garden. This is a sponsored video. So we are going to try to get this put together indoors, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get it outdoors. It's late at night, not too late, but it's around 8 o'clock. And I said, I need to go ahead and try to get this put together. One, my husband is about to go back on the road, and I think I'm more filled with anxiety than anything, although he's been cleared by a doctor. It's still a mental thing for me. So I got this bed from Vigo Garden maybe a few weeks ago. They say this box is fully compostable, so it definitely will be getting used underneath the bed, just like the other box. I'm going to use that under the bed for the other Vigo Garden bed that I have. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. And for this one, I can't remember if I have a discount code. I will definitely leave the link in the description box. So if you hear noise in the background, that is just our fish tank. These are the sides that goes inside of the bed once it's together. These are the slats for the sides. There's the bottom for the shelving. Instructions, screws. These are the 4 legs. They say it's best to have the box on the floor so you can use it as a base when you're putting this together. I'm going to put you on a loop because this took a long time for me to put together. It said 30 minutes, y'all. I was down here for hours. I struggled. I really did. But I think looking back at it, I know what I was doing wrong. Right here, I was putting the smaller bar on the end pieces before I can add the side panels to it. I had to get that on. It took a bit. I don't know if it was my nails, my arthritis, but we got that together, and now I am adding the side panels to it. The side panels have to have a long bar to it, and these are all labeled H1s, H2s. And this is how slow I was moving, you guys. So yeah, I had to put y'all on this fast track. Oh, we be here till tomorrow. And for the extra long bars, they go at the bottom because this raised bed here, this elevated raised bed has a bottom piece that has a shelving to it, which I really do like about it. Now I'm going to put on these here at the end pieces. These silver pieces right here are the base for where you're going to be adding your soil to. So you have
the two on the ends that are labeled different than the two in the middle. And they also have holes in them that you have to put the screws into.
So now I'm going to take these F3s and put these F3s inside where there are holes at.
And now I'm placing the racks at the bottom. And just like the other Vigo garden bed, it has this top layer here that protects your hands when you're pressing down or doing anything with the raised bed. So you just put this on, go around, cut it off, and that's it. You have the option of whether or not you want to use the casters or not use the casters. I decided to use the casters, which is also going to raise it up maybe another 1.5 inches. So I'm just screwing these on. That's all to it. There's nothing involved. No bolts, no nuts, thank goodness. Just put it in a hole and turn it until it tightens. I'm actually 5'4" tall, so this bed is definitely going to be used well, and it comes up just high enough where I don't have to bend down too much.
Recycle this box, and I will be doing so in my garden. I like everything about it. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that I had to put it together, and it had, for me, now this might not be for you, and I'm going to tell you the truth on it. For me, it was difficult to put together. I have arthritis in my fingers. My fingers are swollen right now. So it's not, although this is good for person with a bad back or older person like myself, you ain't got to bend down as much, but putting it together, you got to do all kinds of bending, all kinds of maneuvering with your fingers and stuff like that. So if you can find someone to put it together, this would be a great bed to have. I like the fact that it rolls. It does have locks on the wheel, so I can press down on it and lock it in place like that, and it's not going anywhere, okay? And I can just come up on it with my foot, like so, and we're back to rocking and rolling. So, again, if I do have a discount, I will definitely put it down in the description below. I will also leave the link so that you can go and check one of these nice elevated raised beds out, and this will go outside my patio door once I move everything out of the way. But for now, we're just gonna roll it on over here out of the way, just like that. I like the color. I love the color. It's not the same color as the other one, but I love that olive color. And I love the racks at the bottom.
Thank you again, Vigo Garden, and also the links will be down in the description box. Y'all take care.